Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of one item that I've got. I've got it at Columbia site and I will show you. So it came in the packaging like the white packaging, so I remove it and it came in this. So this is the code. This is the same one that I unboxed lately, but other one I returned because I didn't like the way it was. It was a little bit tight on me, and also it was like used or something. I just felt when I looked closer near this part I saw some, I don't know if it was dirty, so I returned it and I've got a new one. And this one is the same model, which is called Women's Autumn Park Down, and this one is size bigger, which is XXL. As you can see, you see, and this one is brighter color because I was afraid that it would be darker and again used maybe, so I decided to get darker color, lighter color, to be able to see if it's new. So this one looks like it's nice and it doesn't look used. So it comes in this nice color. It was on sale, and it also comes with just one tag which says that it has Omni heat material. It has a Columbia sign on the here, on this thing, on sleeve. It has Omni heat inside, but the bottom, the sleeves are a little bit normal, and then when you go deeper a few inches it starts Omni heat. So let's open, unzip it. So zippers one way, something like this, which makes it easier to open. And inside it looks like this, which is nice. Looks like this. I like this layer because I think it makes easier, indeed it makes warmer and easier to heat it up your body. This jacket has pockets like here, but inside I lately discovered that another jacket that they stitch at the bottom, and then you have pockets here and here. So that's good because you can put here some mobile or keys or even water bottle. So that's really cool. And it's on both sides. And here tag what it says. It says it's 100% nylon shell, lining also polyester, filling 80% dark down and 20% dark feathers. Insulation 85% recycled polyester and 15% polyester exclusive of trimming. Okay, size it's XX large, XX large. So I wanted to fit me because I think this model runs small, one size at least. I was saying half size because if you don't have big chest, then it's half size, or even you can fit in the normal size, but I think it's rather run small. So yeah, that's it has really nice fluffy fur, and this model has grey one, which is nice combination with red color. And I was thinking what color match to red, and yeah, grey. I think grey is nice, but I hope I will be able to wear it much because this color is a little bit bright and out of my comfort zone, but I hope I will wear it. And I think this color is nice quality. It has nice quality materials. Here it's nicely trimmed. Pockets looks like this. They are not warm inside, but at least they are deep. And it has this thingy on the collar. Yeah, so I will try this coat on. So it looks like this. Yeah, so it looks like this. As you can see, this one fits me well. Perfect, I would say. Sleeves are not too long, like so. Here it has some room. The thingy collar is perfect. Yeah, I am happy that I returned the one and that I've got this one, because this one is much better. And I also like the color. Look guys, it's really give you energy. And for winter is great because you need some energy in winter and some pop of color. It's nice to have. So yeah, as you can see, wait a minute. So as you can see, it's really nice color. Oh, it goes well with my sweatpants, which are Victoria's Secret pants. This kind. Also grey. So yeah, it goes well. Wow, this coat is really warm because I feel warmness. Oh, really, really warm. Yes, so for winter it's great. has that omni heat. Yeah, so I really am happy I got this one, because this one is really nice for cold temperatures. It's really nice, and this is how it looks with hood. Hope you enjoy such videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.